Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 not detecting second monitor. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix if your Windows 11 not detecting second monitor, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, the first method you can try is you have to check all your connections which is properly connected. If it is connected properly, then restart your PC and check. If this option doesn't work, try the second method, that is click on this start menu and click on settings. Click on the system, come to the right side, here you will find display, click on this display. Scroll down, here you will find advanced display, click on this. Here in the top you will see display 1. Here you can click and select the second display. If it's not showing, then close this window. Click on start menu again, click on settings, then click on system, then click on display. Scroll down, click on multiple displays. Here you will find detect other displays. Just click on detect. You can see we didn't find any other display. Just close this window. Try the another method, that is right click on this start menu, then click on device manager, or directly you can click on this search menu, then type here device manager. Click on device manager. In this, you have to find display adapters. You can say display adapter, double click on that, right click on your display driver, click on update driver, click on search automatically for the drivers, then check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still if it is not working, then go back, click on browse my computer for the available drivers, then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your graphic driver, then click on next, then click on finish. After trying all these options, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just try one final method, that is click on this start menu, then click on settings. Here you will find Windows Update, click on that, then click on update. After completion of this update, it will ask to restart. Just restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix Windows 11 not detecting second monitor. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.